What's going on? How are you doing today? We made some adjustments. I'm checking out the mic, make sure that that works. I'm gonna turn this way because the last video we had a bunch of wind in there. We got the little wireless microphones trying to improve the audio, but the wind is out. I got these little fluffy things on there, so hopefully that's gonna kind of reduce the wind, make it a little bit better. But we're out here on the water today. It's gonna be a great day. I don't know exactly where we're going. It's a little windy, so hopefully we'll be fine. Seas are looking at like 1.3 today. I think we're gonna head out to Shell Key Friday spot, kind of like what we did last week, but hopefully we'll be able to provide a little bit better quality. What's the water temperature?
78.3.
78.3, so we can still get in the water. We're still suffering from the hurricane. There's still a bunch of debris piled up there, so hopefully things go well. We're gonna have a great day on the water today. We'll be out the next few weeks. We're gonna be going to Grand Cayman here in the near future. So we've got that, celebrating our 1-year anniversary. Also made some changes to social media. We opened up, we have our own Kim and Jason in Florida Instagram account. So there's not really many posts. Kim's gonna be handling that because I can't be doing everything. We also did a Facebook page. So we're gonna start working on that. Not much going on there too. Also, if you saw in our other video, Island Time Towel Company, we are in the process of launching an e-commerce brand. I have successfully launched a brand in the past. We're going to do another one here, so just keep an eye out for that. We're not going to talk about it too much, but it's going to be Island Time Towels. We're going to be giving out some free towels here in the future as well, so stay tuned. Let me let you talk with Kim for a second, and then we're going to head out.
Hey, we're out here doing it again like we do, bringing you along with us. It's a real pretty day. Come join us on Instagram. Hopefully the goal with Instagram is to share a little bit more of our personal lives. You know, we try to keep our videos to boating, and Instagram is, you know, what we're doing when we're not boating. So yeah, hope you follow along, and we make some new friends.
Through Bunces Pass. We just passed Fort DeSoto. The docks are looking good. They're still not utilizing it yet, so I'm not sure what the wait is for. They should be able to open that up here soon. But we're gonna head on up here to Bunces Pass. We got, you know how we do. We got the captain. How you doing, Captain?
Doing good.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to Bunces because, you know, we never go to Bunces. We'll see how the current is. Maybe we'll check Bunces. It's not popular here. Yeah, there's that recycling thing that was up there last time. Let me show you guys. It's windy out here. You're coming in hot, like Miami boat ramps hot. No, I'll walk it out. I'll walk it out. So I'm gonna get in the water. I'm gonna walk it out. I'll walk it. Let me see. Let me do you walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. So we're gonna walk it out. We just got in here. There's no other boats around, so we don't need 2 anchors. The only reason why we would need 2 anchors is just kind of like position ourselves. Got a nice little wind going on, but
it feels nice.
Yeah, just feel nice. So let me go ahead and get this going. Let's do a little extra here. All right, we just wolfed down some sandwiches. We're out here later than we normally are. I was hungry, right?
I didn't even wait for the boat to stop. I was like, give me that sandwich.
Give me that sandwich. I'm out there doing the anchor and stuff, so. Yeah, it's like 2:12, so definitely later than normal. No big deal. There we go.
you usually do this? Because this feels like a lot of work.
I usually do. All right, check,
Testes,
check.
testes, 1, 2, 3, testes.
GoPro, stop recording. So now you know the voice commands. You can do that. The GoPro, you can do the voice commands. So what do you think about today?
Today was nice. Not our usual.
Yeah.
We're gonna have more stuff coming your way. We got some dock and dines. We need to support local business too. We need to get out there because they're struggling. All the stuff on the water, even stuff that isn't on the water. You know, it's just been. You know, can you?
What?
Can you? Thank you.
Yeah, just do it yourself. Shoot, I'm over here just trying to chill. Go ahead, get it. Yeah. So yeah, we are not back. I mean, even the Fort DeSoto boat ramp is not fully open. It's not open at all. It looks like they're making some progress. And even just the boats out here underwater, we got
There's a few more than there was.
a few more. We got.
I mean, it's wintertime, but it's just different.
Yeah, that's different.
It's different. The water color, the water clarity, the the beaches have trash.
Yeah.
The streets are still full of trash. Oh, we passed by today. There's this parking lot that we pass by when we go to the boat ramp.
Don't tell them where it's at.
There's a parking lot that we pass by when we go to the boat ramp, and it used to be a mall, a mini mall, I think, or like a strip mall.
Yeah.
They demolished it because like a developer is going to put in some apartments or something, right? So it's this big, massive open thing. That's where they're putting all the trash that people have on the street side. If you've seen like the news reports and the pictures of all the trash in the neighborhoods, that's just like on the street side.
Dumping it at.
Yeah, because like people had to like gut their homes and they've got furniture, all that stuff. They're picking, the city's picking it up, the cities and the counties, but they're just, I guess they don't have anywhere to put it, so they're putting it in wherever they can, wherever they can, right?
Yeah.
So this was like an empty parking lot, and it's full of trash. It's really depressing. So we're gonna go do some adventures somewhere else for a while. We might head north. We might head over to the East Coast. Maybe go down to
south. I do want to do.
Keys.
When I was thinking about this when we were riding out, I want to do something with our other YouTubers down in South Florida.
Oh yeah,
there's other YouTubers that
are like, hey, let's meet up.
We do like a meetup. I'm thinking, sometime in 2025. I don't think it's going to happen this year just because of stuff that we got going on, and I want the weather to be good. But I'm thinking if we'll go down, we'll meet up with y'all. You know who I'm talking about because we communicate, and we'll do like a little get together where we go down, Alligator Reef. We'll go down because we enjoy staying at that Hampton Inn in Key Largo.
Yeah.
So we could trailer our boat down.
Oh, and the sandbar. Where's that at? Island Marada?
Island Marada.
Yeah.
Over there by Wahoo's. We love Wahoo's.
Yeah, Wahoo's.
Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. And Lazy Lobster. Yeah, that's another one. But we'll meet up with you guys. Both show. So then, see, it's got a little thing.
Oh, okay, the red thing. All right.
Yeah, so then that's how you do it. So.
Cool.
GoPro, sun's out, buns out.
Oh.
GoPro, stop recording.
Dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen chopping onions. Yeah. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby. Yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Drop some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, this life I live's a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs.